Hello students and family, my name is Molly Holohan and I am the principal of Chippewa Middle School, and it is my great pleasure to welcome you to the 22-23 school year. Just to share a little bit about myself, I'm entering my 4th year as principal here at Chippewa. Prior to that, I was the associate principal here as well as a dean, and I served as a dean at Highview Middle School in the district. I've been in the district for 12 years now, and it truly is my pleasure to serve as the principal of Chippewa. My husband Brian and I live and work in this community. We have 4 sons. Our oldest is grown and out in the working world. Then we have a 10th grader as well as 2 students here at Chippewa, a 6th grader and an 8th grader. So we really do live and work in this community, and it is a wonderful place to be. I'm excited with all the awesome opportunities that we're going to be offering your students this year. It is going to be amazing to have students learn and grow with us. So if I haven't met you yet, please stop by and see me sometime and introduce yourself. And we look forward to having a fantastic year. Take care.